for
Peter.
F for
Fish.
G for
Lily.
H for
Hen.
I for
I see.
J for
Duck.
K for
Guy.
L for
Lion.
M for
Monkey.
N for
Fish.
O for P for
Peter.
Q for
Pen.
R for
Fish.
U for
Umbrella.
S for
Sun.
T for
Hair.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Watch.
W for
Watch.
X for
I see.
Y for
White.
Z for
Use.